Hi guys, look what I got. Homemade chocolate pudding. And honestly, this looks like it's as big as my face and it's really not. It's about, I would say 2.5 inches long. It's like a little wine glass that I got. And I think it just looks cute in there. But here it is. Yum. For you, Asia Flower. She likes chocolate pudding pie. Or chocolate pie. Mm. Yeah. My banana pie went to crap. Should I say a little meatball took it out? I probably ate some of it. I come home from work and it was just sitting there for hours. Can't get mad though. Someone wanted some banana cream pie. You guys gotta try this pudding. Easy, breezy, chocolate, easy. All over?
He thinks he wants to stop me. He can't. He can't stop me. Because I'm really good.
Yeah?
I know butterflies and bugs.
And dinosaurs?
Here's the dinosaur yet. Probably when there's like daytime.
Could be a little colder for my liking. But I couldn't wait. I wanted to show you guys. The cookie. Perfect addition to this. You can use graham cracker too. Or ladyfingers or vanilla cookies. The banana cream pie would be good with figs. Yum. We gave little meatball some, but he's not a big sweet eater. Which is good. Yummy. And I only had a few bites at dinner. And you saw what I made for lunch. I made some... What was that? I made some homemade pudding. If you want some. You hear me? Look at that cookie. Yum. Yummy. Another cookie bite. Did you hear what I said? You want some? If you take it out, put it back. Oh, God. Yum, 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 yum. Wash your hands. You're sticking your fingers up in there. And the pudding. Oh, and there are little finger marks in it. And again, I barely had any dinner because I wanted that. No update on Mr. S. Gotta wait and see. I'm tired. Both meatballs are sleeping. I'm tired. I can wash my makeup off and go. Actually, they watch cartoons. People are asking, they don't have a bed. They do have a bed. I just don't video their room. And half the time they fall asleep on the couch. And they share a room with one of my meatballs, so one of the older meatballs. And she keeps them up. Plus, if they're not feeling well and their mom is at work, they stay with me. And if I gotta sleep on the floor to make sure they're okay, I will sleep on the floor. I'll put 2 chairs. I'll sleep on a table. So I know they're okay at night. That's how I roll. I'll sleep in this chair if they're not feeling good. So I sleep where they are if they're not feeling well. That's it. So if that makes you upset, I'm sorry. But this grandma stays with little meatballs if they're coughing, sneezing, or got a fever. I've been known to sleep half on the couch and half on the floor. On a hospital floor. It's gotta be done. It's gotta be done. Okay, now I'm just tired and rambling. Alright, I love you guys. I'll see you. I pretty much do the same thing for breakfast, so I don't know how exciting that is. Maybe I'll do an omelet tomorrow. Or maybe I got little Woolworths blanket. She's got mine. What was I saying? Tired. Oh, breakfast. If you guys haven't tried Ezekiel bread, you gotta try Ezekiel bread. It's like Jesus bread. It's all made with grains. You got to keep it in the freezer and take it out per slice that you need. You can't keep it like in the refrigerator or, I mean, I freeze mine and I'll just take it out as needed, stick it in the toaster, put on high heat, and it crisps up and toasts pretty quick. But I call it Jesus bread. And actually, if you read on the Ezekiel bread, I think it has Bible verses on there. Don't quote me on that, but I'll look at that tomorrow. I'll show you guys if it does. So good for them. But I always like my eggs, some form of like tortilla or my healthy wraps or Ezekiel bread. That's the type of stuff I like. Oh. Sometimes I just want some pancakes. But I never do that for breakfast. Well, not Monday through Friday anyways. However, I've been wanting to bake and cook a lot, so that's a bad thing. I mean, it's a good thing because I like to do it, because I like to do healthy twists on it. This actually wasn't that bad because it only had a half a cup of sugar. It did have 3 tablespoons of butter. So that's not too bad, actually. I wonder if you can switch it up for honey. Ugh, I don't think that would taste good, though. Or the Splenda? No, that'd be a lot of Splenda. What's the one sugar that you could replace as sugar? Like tablespoon per tablespoon. I mean, it's the same I gotta look and see. I forgot the name of it. But you can mess with that recipe. I always do. But I always make stuff for my liking, so. And I love chocolate. Chocolate's like my favorite. Now you can put some coconut in there. That would be good. Throw some marshmallows. Do like a rocky road pudding. That'd be yummy. Put some graham crackers all through it. And swirl in the Cool Whip. That'd be good. Actually, I need to try that. Yum. I just thought of that. I never saw s'mores pudding. Have you guys saw s'mores pudding? Yum. I'll show you a high protein, low sugar cheesecake bites I make. I make them in ice trays. I think I told you guys that before. But yeah, strawberry even. Strawberry cheesecake bites that you put in ice trays. And they're little yummy ice cube size, yummy, sweet, healthier, because it's all pure protein. Clouds of yumminess. I gotta show you guys that too. Alrighty, well, we're at 12 minutes. And I'm gonna turn Cat in the Hat because now they're all snug in a rug. Having sweet dreams. So I'm gonna watch my shows for a little while. I'm all sugared out. But that was delicious. Let me know if you try it because it was yummy and it was real easy. And I like that. I'm all about quick and easy and fast. Because I want it now. What's that from? Who says that? Daddy, I want it now. What's that from? Let's see. The 10th? No. The first person that, I'm sure you all know who it is, but the first person who writes what it is, the correct answer, you have to message me your address, and I'm going to write you a personal letter and send you a little gift. Let's see who's going to get it. I kind of know maybe who's going to get it. Should I make it fair, though? Let's see. The 10th person, even if you have to do it 10 times, the 10th person who guesses it is going to send me their personal message me. Their, even a P.O. box if they want, and I'm going to send them a personal letter with a gift. I'm excited. I just thought of that. So, who's going to win? Who's going to win? Number 10. Who would attend the 10th comment of the correct answer? So if yours number 10, it's a wrong, and the 11th, yeah, not the one before, not 9. It has to be, if 10's wrong, then it will be the 11th to make it fair. So, but if the 9th is right, and then they re-comment the same thing, they're going to win. So let's see who's going to win. Number 10. I'm excited. I'm excited. I'm sending a gift. I'm sending a gift. I'm sending a gift. Love you guys. Now I'm all hyped up on sugar. Oh, we're almost at 15 minutes. Love you. Have a wonderful night. God bless. And I will announce the winner tomorrow for breakfast. Toodle noodles. Asta pasta. Later, gators. Mwah!